Hi everyone, and welcome to your next English Writing Journal paragraph lesson. Today is going to be an interesting one because I'm going to teach you about choosing a single topic or a multiple topic, okay? Now, before we get started, remember to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you like the lesson that we have today. So, I've got my blue pen, and here is our week 4 topic. Now, what is the date today? It is Saturday, March 30th, 2019. Okay, so this is our week 4 lesson, and this is still our English Writing Journal year 1. So we're still in the very first book of my writing journal. Now, what makes you angry? And remember, in the beginning, I said we're going to choose a single topic or many. Here, our topic is what makes you angry. Now, I want you to think about this. You can say one thing that makes you angry, or you can say the many things that make you angry. You have a choice here. What makes you angry? It can be one thing that makes you really angry, or it can be many things that make you angry. So, which one do we want to choose? I say, let's say, I don't know. What makes you angry? It's a tough question. It's a difficult question. What makes you angry? Let's say, for me, I'm not really an angry person. When I was younger, I was, but now I've relaxed. So let's say that I'm going to choose a single topic and explain why it makes me angry, okay? If you choose this topic right here, what the many things that make you angry, you're going to say what the thing is and explain it. Say what the next thing is and explain it. For example, dropping my ice cream on the ground makes me really angry. I hate that I'm excited to eat the ice cream and then that excitement is taken away. And then, let's see. I get mad when people lie to me. That makes me angry. And then you explain an example. You would do multiple things, many things that match the topic, what makes you angry. But here I'm going to choose one thing and explain why it makes me angry. So, what makes you angry? We need to make our topic sentence first, right? Now, if you're going to say the many things, you would say, there are many things that make me angry. Okay? So we're going to keep it open so you can tell the many things that make you angry. But here, we're choosing a single thing. Now, the single thing is usually more difficult. So remember that. Many options means it's easier to write. One option, one choice, means it's very specific. Okay? Something that makes me angry. What makes me angry? Now, I could do a funny topic and say, something silly that makes me angry. And that would be okay. We can make a creative thing. But I think I'm going to choose a serious topic. So here, what makes you angry? I get angry when people break my trust. Ooh. Remember, if you want to choose a fun topic, that's okay. You can choose a fun topic and be creative, but I want to show you how to do a more serious one today. Now, I get angry when people break my trust. Ooh, that's a serious thing. So, that means, since this is serious, we must stay serious all through our paper. So now we need an example. I get angry when people break my trust. Why? Why do I get angry? First, it is difficult for me to trust people. So, when they break it, it really hurts me. Ooh, first, it is difficult for me to trust people. So what happens? When they break it, the trust, it really hurts me. Ah, that is true for most people, right? It takes me a long time to understand why the person broke my, let's move this over here, there, broke my trust. Oh, yeah, it takes me a long time to understand why the person broke my trust. This is a serious essay, huh? It's a serious topic, and sometimes you will have these topics, and you can choose to be creative with it or just be honest. And being honest can sometimes be difficult to write because you want to hide your own personal feelings, but you don't have to. Remember, this could be a journal entry just for you, just to practice for yourself and find out more about yourself too. So, it takes me a long time to understand why the person broke my trust. That confusion makes me angry. This is what makes me angry. See how we're still talking about just this one topic. All of our sentences must match this thing here. Now I want you to see this. Circle trust right here and angry. These are the two things we need to have a piece of in our sentences. First, trust. So when they break it, it really hurts me. Kind of matches, hurts me, angry. It takes me a long time to understand why they broke my trust. That confusion makes me angry. See how we stayed on topic the whole time. I gotta move my leg. It fell asleep. Oh no! I'm sitting on the floor at my table here. So my leg fell asleep. Okay, back on topic here. See how we have these two main idea pieces here, angry and trust, and we kept that going through each sentence. This is an easy way for you to make sure you always stay on topic. Choose your idea points and carry it through. Now, that confusion makes me angry. Do you see, I always read the sentence again before I start writing again. This is a trick that I use to help stay in the same idea. Some people will stop and go do something and come back, and then they get off of topic. I always read the last sentence to continue that idea. It's a trick I use. Now, that confusion makes me angry. So first, it is difficult for me to trust people when they break it. It really hurts me. It takes me a long time to understand why the person broke my trust. That confusion makes me angry. I also get angry at myself. Ooh, see, now this is going to be on the same topic, but we're looking at it here. Imagine our topic is here, and we just said it this way. This part makes me angry. Now I'm going to look at it from another angle, right? That's what this also part. I also get angry at myself for failing to trust the right person. We still have our trust issue and anger in here. But see how we brought it into our second. It's still the same topic. We're still talking about the one thing, trust and anger. But we're looking at it from a different angle. This part makes me angry, and why? Now here's the other side of the same coin, okay? Imagine talking about a piece of money or something, a coin, and you talk about one side and then you turn the coin over and you talk about the other side. Still the same coin. And you can do that for here when you write. I also get angry at myself for failing to trust the right person. Okay, now what else? We have to explain this. I don't trust easily, so finding out that I trusted the wrong person makes me angry. A-N-G-R-Y at myself. Oh, okay. I also get angry at myself for failing to trust the right person. I don't trust easily. So finding out that I trusted the wrong person makes me angry at myself. Okay. So we've got trust here, angry again. We're still on topic. This is great. Actually, we have trust in there 2 times. Ooh. So now we're about halfway through. Let's keep going. I trusted the wrong person. So finding out that I trusted the wrong person makes me angry at myself. I try very hard to make sure I only give my trust to special people. Okay, so now it kind of makes sense why I get so angry. And my leg is still asleep. This is going to be a funny essay because I'm fighting my leg the whole time as I write the essay, but that's okay. I will survive there. I'm back. My leg is good. And my hair is falling out of my head. Wow. I try very hard to make sure I only give my trust to special people. Finding out that they didn't deserve it makes me angry. Finding out that they didn't deserve it makes me angry. Finding out that I chose the wrong person makes me angry at myself. So let's go up here. Trust. Angry. It is still trust. Remember, it is a pronoun for our trust. Angry. Wrong person makes me angry. So we're still on topic, right? This is great. Now, we're getting close to the end of our journal, so we have to start to end this somehow. Finding out that they didn't deserve it makes me angry. Finding out that I chose the wrong person makes me angry at myself. So what makes you angry? This. This makes me angry. Luckily, I don't have this problem very often, but that's okay. We needed a topic to do. So let's make a conclusion. So how do we make a conclusion? Do you remember? Of course you do, because I taught you. Take your topic. I get angry when people break. We'll go off the page here, doesn't matter. My trust. Yeah, this is just for us. So we need to make our conclusion, and we're going to switch our topic. Okay, we're going to switch our topic sentence around. I get angry when people break my trust. So think about this sentence. Where could we split it in half? I get angry when people break my trust. Okay. I get angry when people break my trust. We could split it right there. Okay. See how we switch? We got 3 different pieces, 3 details. So, conclusion. When people, what? Break my trust, I get angry. Okay, so that's exactly the same sentence. So we want to change it a little bit. How do I get angry? I get angry. How? I get angry at myself mostly. When people break my trust, I get angry at myself and that person. Okay, so here we made our conclusion. We took our topic sentence and then added the extra detail right here, at myself and that person. So let's add it to our conclusion here. When people break my trust, I get angry at myself and that person. Okay, cool. So we have made our completed essay here. We've made our completed journal, and we chose to write on one single topic this time. And you see how we managed to save all of our topic on the right idea. We just circled each piece to make sure we matched our topic sentence. It's very, very important to always stay on topic when you choose one single thing like this. Okay? Very, very important. This is just an easy way to make sure you stay on topic. Circle it. Make sure those key ideas, those key words are in each sentence, and you're always going to be killing it. You're going to be doing great on your essays. So, if you liked this lesson, if you liked this video, please hit like. Tell me that you liked it. If you really like how I teach, hit that subscribe button. And I would love it if you would write what makes you angry in the comments section on the video, and I'll check it for you. I will tell you how you did. I will make your mistakes go away. Okay? I'll see you next time. Goodbye.